When you put AI into earbuds, you get the Viaim Air and Nano Plus. This got to be the coolest earbuds I've ever used. You can transcribe your recordings into 11 different languages. This means you can record other languages and transcribe it to English. But there's more. With a single click, the Viaim app can summarize your whole transcript and make a to-do list. Welcome to my very first product room review where I, JulianTechTM, bring back the latest and greatest tech products home to use it every day. I've been using both products, the Air and the Nano Plus, for about a week each. And let's start off with what's in the box. Just a bit of research about the Viaim company. They are an AI hardware company deeply rooted in the smart office sector. And to me, it seems like they're just trying to put new innovations into everyday products so that, life is easier and more efficient. So what do you get in the box? You get the manuals, you get a Type-C to Type-C for the Nano Plus, you get a Type-A to Type-C on the Air, charging case, your product. Oh yeah, I also forgot, comes with different rubber sizes. Design-wise, for the Viaim Air, sleek, surprisingly light even with the case. It blends into my skin, I think. Basically not too flashy, a bit more professional office use. Also features an open ear design that sits comfortably without sealing my ears. Next for the Nano Plus, robust, built for immersive sound. Offers a snug fit with noise cancellation. Now let's talk about sound quality. Nowadays, earbuds are expected to deliver a certain level of quality, and Viaim doesn't disappoint. The sound is clear with good bass. The difference between the open ear Air to the closed Nano Plus is very noticeable. Open earbuds usually sound more spacious, where the Nano closed ear sounds more immersive, especially with noise cancellation. I know a lot of people, especially the office people and basically not the Gen Zs, prefer the open earbuds because it feels less invasive, allowing you to wear them for a longer period of time. But if you ask me, I love it when you have earbuds straight into your ear canals, and when the music hits, it feels like the music is massaging your brain. Ugh. Oh, try to get to you. You are my own. Especially with noise cancellation. Just to note, the noise cancellation isn't the best in the market, but it's definitely one of the top performers. Now that we got all the normal features out of the way, the true standout features for these earbuds is in the AI recording capabilities. So let's get straight onto the AI recording. If you look at the red record button, there's 3 options: call calling, audio video recording, and live recording. What does that mean? Call recording basically means you're gonna record the phone audio, which is the call, and your audio, which is the mic. Audio and video recording is just recording the audio from the phone. So if you watch a video, listen to an ebook, you can record audio there. And live recording. Live recording is basically turning on the mic. So let's try the live recording. And it's using the mic from the earbuds, not the phone. This is how I test it. No peak. There we go. And while recording, you can press the transcribe button on the bottom left, select English, and it will live transcribe whatever I'm talking to the phone. I can press the 3 dots on the top right, and there is real-time translation. And I can translate it to Mandarin. Hello, my name is Julian. I can translate it to Russian. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm not sure whether it's right, but you let me know if it's right. And remember I said the AI can summarize with a click of a button? This is it, the Viaim AI. We go into summary and try. And there we go. The summary of my conversation. And now I want to push the limits of the Viaim AI by doing a shopping list. I'm just going to add items from the supermarket on my shopping list. I'm going to cancel some products. I'm going to say a product multiple times. And I'm going to try to add a product. You see what I mean? I'm going to go shopping and I need to buy milk. So I need to do a to-do list. I need to buy milk, I need to buy cereal, And cookies. You know what, now to think of it, I don't need the milk. I want to cancel the milk. Yeah, please cancel the milk. I need 2 boxes of cereal. Yes. And cookies. I do need cookies. Let me think about it. And beef. Just for good measures. Okay, I'm transcribing it after recording because the live transcript can be a little bit inaccurate. And sometimes, you know, meal can sound very similar, especially with the Singapore accent. Yeah, seems to be spot on. And with a click of a button, Viaim AI. It did it. It cancelled the milk. It got 2 boxes of cereal. And it didn't add an extra cookie because I did mention more than once having a cookie and beef for good measure. Who doesn't like beef? Summary, I don't think it really needs a summary. Even mentions that I cancelled the milk and I need beef for good measure. That's great. Now, with the Nano Plus, it can do one extra feature because it has storage within the earbuds. I can, one long hole, I hear a sound in the earbuds and I can probably record, which can be very useful because you know you don't have to take out your phone. If you already have your earpiece and someone's talking, you can just turn it on the go, and no one knows you're recording as well. Haha, spy. And in the app, under records, there's an extra option on the top right, which is earbuds. And you can download it into the app. And the storage can hold 140 minutes of calls and 70 minutes of live recording. It has been downloaded to the phone. Now we can transcribe it. Yep, everything seems to be in order. 99% accurate. That's the recording functions. Summary. You're probably pretty impressed because I was very impressed when I researched these earbuds. But I really want to push the limits of these earbuds. I'm going to bring this to an actual meeting and I'm going to start recording. You're going to come with me. So let's go. On the way to the meeting, I thought, why not test the video recording? Since I want to catch up on some tech news, I was watching TechLink's video titled Microsoft is having a bad time. After recording the 8-minute video, I realized it takes quite some time to transcribe the recording. However, I was impressed by the summary. If you're familiar with TechLink's videos, you know they often crack jokes about tech news. Interestingly, the AI didn't include any of the jokes or sarcasm, even those that might seem like facts. And now on to the meeting. To give you some context, this was a job interview with 4 people in the meeting. And the earbuds were on me and everyone was about 2 meters apart. This was a perfect test to see if the earbuds could pick up other people's voices and how the AI would transcribe and summarize a conversation with multiple speakers. To my surprise, it picked up everyone's voice clearly. However, summarizing was where it showed its limitation. The AI hasn't fully mastered detecting multiple speakers, which they promise is coming soon. The summary was written as if only one person was speaking. For example, at the start of the conversation, we wanted to get to know the new guy, and the AI recognized him as speaker. But when I spoke, it also referred me as the same speaker. There were some errors as well, such as I mentioned to my business partner that the new guy saw the post for the internship role, and it transcribed post as boss.
This one is, my post is looking for internship.
One thing you can do is to edit the transcript manually and re-summarize it. Surprisingly, after making manual corrections, the AI produced a much clearer and better formatted summary. Oh, you're still here. That means you're interested in the earbuds, huh? So let me just reiterate some of the specification and just let y'all know some other specs that I missed out. So the design for the Air is open ear and the Nano Plus is closed. The Air weighs 11.5 grams each, while the Nano Plus weighs 4.9 grams each. The Air comes in 2 colors, black and white, while the Nano Plus comes in silver and green. Battery life for the Air is 40 hours with the case. There are 15 hours of listening time and 12 hours of talk time. For the Nano, you also have 40 hours with the case, but 12 hours of listening time and 7 hours of talk time. Charging Air, wired. Charging for Nano Plus, you have wired and wireless. There is no noise cancellation for the Air, and there is cancellation for the Nano Plus. There is no built-in storage for the Air, 16 megabytes of storage for the Nano Plus, up to 140 minutes of recording each. and the price is going for $201 for the Air and $252 for the Nano Plus. That's also an important thing to know about the AI function. Although free, it's limited to 60 minutes of transcripts, and you can use all the functions twice each month. If you need more, you can try the 3-month subscription for free and then continue by paying a monthly fee depending on what plan you choose. Also, Viaim knew I was doing this video and gave me a discount code for you guys. You can use the code Julian for 5% discount. But before you buy, here's my overall conclusion. Honestly, everything is above average. It sounds good, battery life is expected, it looks good, but the AI function is truly impressive. It's a shame it cannot yet detect multiple voices. Despite this limitation, Viaim AI has been incredibly helpful for me, especially in meetings. So if you're a business professional, these earbuds are definitely for you. Which one to get, it really depends on your preference. They will help you work more efficiently, allowing you to complete meetings anytime, anywhere, without missing anything, because of Viaim AI. I also think that students will benefit from these earbuds, especially the open ear Air. Being open ear, you can hear your teacher, your professor, your lecturer better. However, whether is it worth for a student to pay a monthly fee, this will depend on the individual student's need. Hope this video has been helpful for you. I have links in the description if you want to learn more. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more product room review. Let me know what other products you want to see. I'll see you next time, and I'm done.